In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tail lights on your Ford Ranger. They're located in the rear. So what you're going to do is open your tailgate. Okay, using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to take out these screws. There's two on the inside and there's two on the outside. I'm going to set those aside. All right, and then you're going to take out these two screws as well with a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have a hand on it. These screws were for the inside and these screws were for the outside. Notice the difference in length. All right, so now you can pull this away. You can take a peek at your wiring, make sure there's no damage anywhere. The white light looks like it's on the top, the white casing, should I say. You're gonna unscrew it. Pop it out. Unscrew that one and pop that one out. And set this off to the side. All right, so I'm gonna peel off these little stickers off the new tail light. Doesn't look like there's anything else on there. And now we can install our bulbs. I'll start with the lower one first. There's two notches here. Or should I say there's like a cutout design. So just line up your bulb. There's a wider one here and two little ones here. So just make sure you line it up before you twist it in. So the bigger one goes in and then just twist it. To lock it in. It's a good time to notice this gasket too. If that gasket looks like it's all beat up, you don't want to install that because condensation will get inside the light. Ours look fine though. All right, so if you're having any difficulty, you can disconnect it from the harness. That way you can easily fit it in the hole and put it in correctly. It was a little tough getting out. All right, so once you get that in, you can turn it. All right, so now we're going to line up our connector. Our piece got brittle and broke off while I was disconnecting it. As long as it's still got a good lock on it, which we do on the other side, you'll be fine. Plastic gets brittle. All right, so now that we have those in, we are going to reinstall our taillight. So line up those little guides here. You're going to line those up in the body of the truck. And now we're going to start our screws. Okay, so our short screws go here. And do the top one. These are self-threading screws, so it's a little tough to get them in there the first time. Now we can install our other screws on the other side. Now we're going to go to our lower one. And you have installed your tail light. Now we're going to check to make sure the lights work. All right, so I'm going to check my brake. I'm going to check my directional. And I'm going to check reverse. I'm also going to check my headlights. All right. So all our lights are working. And you're going to do the same on the other side. All right, once you're all done, you can put your tailgate up. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.